Hi, Brad of Silver Lining Daydreams. Today in this video, with a little help from our grandbabes, we're going to renovate our RV's dinette bench. And then I'm going to show you how we move some wires in a wall of our RV in order to ready it for cedar planking.
So today we're going to try to cut 1 inch or 2 inches on a heel. Can I do it? Do a line here.
We're going to cut there with a Dremel.
You do know I can't hear because this is on. My Opa's doing the GoPro. Oh, my Opa, his name is Brad.
Try to keep it still.
Hi. So I'm gonna get ready for my grandpa. We call him Opa, that's German, is what we are gonna do. So he's gonna Dremel. Kind of burns when you touch it. Hi, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on. This is 40 inches. There it is. It's like a little bench you can do when you're taking off your shoes. Now you can go like this. 11.5 inches. What? Ah! Go!
Where is he?
Go! 11.5. That was
Should open
super
double check it?
quick.
We said 11.5.
We'll walk into the camper.
Okay, moment of truth. Ready? How are we?
Yeah.
There's the one there. Good job. Oh, that's good. Good job. No, that's good. So I went a little overkill with the liquid nails. I have extra and screws. So this is all secured now, this framing. And I bought a piece of 1/4 inch Luann's liquid nails down here, just random here and there. Then this is just gonna go up like this. I drilled some pilot holes to put some screws in. In hindsight, I wish I wouldn't have done that and I would have just used my brad nailer. I'm not sure if we're gonna paint this white or if we're gonna stain it or what we're gonna do, but I wanted the Luann there because heels are gonna be hitting it.
This is already a seam between 2 pieces of Luann. It's already cut here. Cut here, I can see in there if I can move this way with all these wires. Ah, shoot. Made by Jensen. Maybe we can go down and this way. Of course, I've got the power cut off. If you ever wonder what the insulation looks like. So this is one of the outside Jensen speakers. And your structure here, wood structure here, there's actually a little cutout up here, a little square, but this pin won't fit through there. Plywood stops about here. So maybe these wires can be run something like this. Over here we can put the new radio. So I'm going to try to remove this piece here. A bunch of wires here and a wire here. I just wanted to make sure I didn't cut them, and I didn't. Alright, so we gotta go through this piece of wood and this piece of wood and then 2 metal plates on them. Alright, something like that. There, now we got it right. So we're going to cover this with wood, but we may want to at some point be able to put a hole in the wall to get access to this, to add a Bluetooth radio here, weather station. So I'm going to just kind of mark where it is. The middle of that is about 17.5 inches down. So the distance this way is about 12 inches, which is just above there, because there's that structure of 2x2.
That wire there, we're just going to leave there because we're going to have a light. Next, it's on to cedar planking some walls. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.